Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of client files, scrambling to keep track of everyone's books, and wondering if there's a magic wand that can just streamline everything? And then on top of that, you're hit with the question, how much is this all actually going to cost me? You're not alone. I see you, accountants, bookkeepers, and anyone managing multiple businesses. You're the unsung heroes, the financial wizards, the backbone of small business success. But let's be real, managing those books and keeping your own practice afloat is no small feat. We've all been there, right? You're juggling client deadlines, trying to stay compliant, and attempting to find software that won't break the bank. You're looking for efficiency, scalability, and something that just works. And chances are, QuickBooks Online Accountant has popped up on your radar. It's a powerhouse, a staple in the accounting world. But the burning question remains, how much is it really going to set you back? Let's cut through the noise and get down to brass tacks. We're going to dive deep into the pricing structure of QuickBooks Online Accountant, explore its features, and most importantly, figure out if it's the right fit for your practice and your budget. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the pricing, let's understand why QuickBooks Online Accountant is so popular in the first place. It's not just another bookkeeping tool. It's a comprehensive platform designed specifically for accounting professionals. We're talking about features that streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and give you a bird's-eye view of your client's financial health. Think about it. You can manage multiple client files from a single dashboard, access powerful reporting tools, and even collaborate with your team in real time. It's like having a virtual assistant, a financial analyst, and a project manager all rolled into one. And that's before we even talk about the integrations with other essential apps. But all of this power comes at a cost, right? And that's where things can get a little confusing. QuickBooks Online Accountant doesn't have a simple one-size-fits-all price tag. It's structured around a tiered system, and understanding those tiers is crucial to making an informed decision. So let's break it down. The core of QuickBooks Online Accountant is, in itself, free to accounting professionals. Yes, you heard that right. The actual hub where you manage your clients, access your dashboard, and use the Pro Advisor tools is free. It's designed to be the central command center for your practice. However, the cost comes into play when you start adding clients and subscribing to QuickBooks Online for them. You have two main paths here: direct subscriptions for your clients, or wholesale billing through your own account. Let's start with direct subscriptions. When you set up your client with a QuickBooks Online subscription, they pay into it directly. You, as the accountant, can access their books through your accountant dashboard. The cost to your client is the standard subscription price for QuickBooks Online, which varies depending on the plan they choose: Simple Start, Essentials, Plus, or Advanced. Now, here's where it gets interesting for you. As a QuickBooks Online Accountant user, you have access to discounted rates on these subscriptions. You can often get significant discounts for your clients, which can be a huge selling point for your services. You're not just offering accounting expertise, you're also offering cost savings. But the real game changer for many accountants is wholesale billing. This option allows you to bill your clients for their QuickBooks Online subscriptions through your own account. You get a substantial discount, typically around 50%, and then you can mark up the price to your clients. This not only gives you a recurring revenue stream, but also lets you control the billing process and bundle it with your other services. Let's talk about the specific QuickBooks Online plans and their standard pricing, so we understand the baseline from which our discounts are calculated. Simple Start. This is the most basic plan, ideal for very small businesses. It allows for tracking income and expenses, sending invoices, and running basic reports. Essentials. This plan adds the ability to manage bills and track time, making it suitable for businesses with more complex needs. Plus, this plan includes inventory tracking, project profitability, and budgeting tools, catering to growing businesses. Advanced. This is the most robust plan, offering advanced reporting, workflow automation, and dedicated support. Remember, these are the standard prices. Your discount through QuickBooks Online Accountant will significantly lower these costs, especially with wholesale billing. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How do you decide which plan is right for your clients? It all comes down to their specific needs. A freelancer might only need Simple Start, while a growing e-commerce business will likely require Plus or Advanced. Your expertise is invaluable here. You can analyze your clients' businesses, understand their financial goals, and recommend the best plan for them. This not only adds value to your services, but also solidifies your role as a trusted advisor. But it's not just about the subscription costs. QuickBooks Online Accountant offers a suite of tools that can help you streamline your practice and save time. These tools are included with your free accountant account and can significantly impact your bottom line. For example, the Work feature allows you to manage tasks, deadlines, and client communication from a single dashboard. This can eliminate the need for multiple project management tools and reduce the risk of missed deadlines. The reporting tools provide you with valuable insights